This amazing restaurant chicken fried rice is fast, meal prep friendly, done in 30, and lasts all week. So you can have restaurant chicken fried rice on hand, and it can be reheated in less than a few minutes. Cheaper than Chinese takeout, but better and healthier with the same taste. This meal has 56.2 grams of protein, 25 grams of carbs, 28 grams of fat, and 599 calories per serving. This can be eaten for one person looking to bulk up while lifting or split between two people. Okay, let's get started. First thing, the rice. You're going to want to get 2 cups or 440 grams of uncooked rice. The key is to use 1 to 2 day-old rice left in the fridge. You're going to use around 2 cups of dry rice, or after cooked, you're going to have a total of about 6 cups. And you're going to leave it in the fridge, preferably overnight. If you can't, you can still use it right afterwards. No matter what, you always want to get your rice started before you start doing anything else. All right, let's get chopping. Start by mincing 3 cloves or 9 grams of garlic. All you'll need to do is grind up your garlic in your hands, pop off the bottom like this, and all the other cloves just fall apart. And that's how to take off your garlic's cloves. So then, you're going to want to get about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, and you're going to want to smash them. You're going to slightly cut off the end, not all the way, so you have like a little spot you can peel like a sticker.
Hey, how you doing?
Time to just start mincing up your garlic cloves. Crushing or mincing garlic releases its full potential and will be much more pungent even when cooked. Garlic also contains 17 amino acids and is also an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. And it's used from anything from penicillin to helping Alzheimer's and dementia. So put garlic into as much things as you can. Then, take 1 medium onion or 250 grams and dice it up into smaller chunks. Onions are similar to garlic, where they are a superfood, helping in everything from bone health to heart health. So while you can't cry over spilled milk, you can shed tears of joy cutting onions, knowing you're keeping yourself very healthy.
Okay.
Now dice up 3 or 11 grams of green onions. If they don't have a slight bulb, they possibly would be a scallion. If they have a big fatty bulb, they're a spring onion, not to be confused with chives, shallots, leeks, and Welch onions. So what's orange and sounds like a parrot? A carrot. So you're now going to dice up about 5 or 390 grams of carrots. We had a little too much, so you can use 2 to 3 if they are a little bit bigger. Now you can just start chopping carrots just like a diamond jeweler. You can use as many carrots as you want. I don't carrot all. So now you're going to want to slice up 9 or approximately 110 grams of mushrooms. You can add more or less depending on how mushroom you have in your pan. This reminds me of a story when I was younger. I used to think I was a mushroom because everybody kept me in the dark and fed me lots of bullshit. Now take approximately 2 pounds or 811 grams of chicken breast and slice your breast into chunks. Because you know what they say, chicken chunks creates muscle hunks. Okay, that's not a real saying, but eating chicken will definitely build muscle and help you become lean and mean like Steve McQueen on the silver screen. Also, you're going to want to cut your chicken into little chunks because we're about to make a marinade for the chicken, and it cooks more evenly and it soaks up the marinade a lot better. So, we're going to start creating sauce 1, which is the marinade for the chicken. Into a little bowl, you're going to want to combine 1 teaspoon or 5.5 grams of soy sauce. You're going to want to mix in 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of cooking wine or rice wine. Then, you're going to want to mix together 1 teaspoon or 2.5 grams of cornstarch to thicken. Now, you will want to lightly stir to get the chunks of cornstarch out the best you can. So pretend you're Michael Jackson and just beat it. So the second sauce, which is the sauce for the rice that will be added at the end, you'll just combine into a little bowl 3 tablespoons or 15 grams of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons or 8 grams of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon or 6 grams of salt, and 1 teaspoon or 6 grams of pepper. And then just gently stir it all together. Turn your stove on to medium-high heat. you're going to want to grease your pan with a little bit of oil. And then you're going to want to add in your marinade for the chicken. You're just going to want to toss it into a warm pan and stir just for a couple of seconds. Pro tip, adding this sauce is just one of the
secrets from China
to getting amazing restaurant chicken fried rice. And after that, you're going to want to immediately add in your chicken chunks on top and coat them evenly. Then you're just going to want to keep stirring the chicken until it is done. And then after that, you're going to want to remove it from the pan. And then you're going to leave the residue. And then you're going to add in some more oil. And then add in diced onions. You're going to add in your garlic. And your green onions. Now, after they have sauteed for a little, stirring frequently, make sure you do not burn the garlic or onions, as garlic, even cooking for 10 seconds over what it should, can start burning it and give it a bitter taste and ruin your whole dish. Then you're going to want to add in your carrots that you've already chopped up, your peas, and last but not least, your mushrooms. Now saute for around 6 minutes, or until tender. You're going to stir frequently, and then you're going to want to remove it from the pan. So now you're going to want to add a little grease into your pan, and as they say, if you want to make fried rice, you're going to have to break some eggs. So crack 3 to 4 eggs and scramble. Now immediately add in about 6 cups or 744 grams of day-old cooked rice that has been left in the fridge. Then make some space and add your vegetables back in and stir. Now, after mixing it for about a minute or two, and it's combined thoroughly, now you can dump the chicken back in and mix together with the rice, and you're going to then add your rice sauce over the whole thing. This and the chicken sauce are the ancient
secrets from China
that are making this taste like restaurant-style fried rice. Now fry and mix for about 2 minutes, and then you can finish it off with a little bit of soy sauce or sesame oil if you want. Now just stir until it's thoroughly combined and you're ready to take off and plate it into your meal prep containers. Amazing restaurant chicken fried rice. Fast, meal prep friendly, done in 30. Just split into 5 trays, and each one of these suckers has 56.2 grams of protein, 25.8 grams of carbs, 28 grams of fat, and 599 calories per serving. Truly authentic Chinese takeout where
you put in fridge and take the tray out.
Then you just pop it in the microwave for a fast oriental treat with a happy ending that can't be beat. Meal prep fried rice.
Me love you long time.
All you need is just a little practice and you'll be making amazing restaurant chicken fried rice for you and your family.
Need to practice every day.